So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, if you already signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, you didn't know anybody, or you didn't watch our videos, and if you already signed up for Uber, maybe you just signed up, or maybe you signed up a while ago and you never did use a referral code, you can still get your bonus. You can still get your referral bonus. I know a lot of people don't know that, or when I tell them, they're like, wow, then I had no idea. And right now, guys, because of everything that's going on, it is better time than ever to sign up or to apply the referral code. It literally is 8 steps. The instructions are down below. It's super easy. We don't need any of your info. You just apply our info. Again, it's super easy. This is the Rideshare Hub. Take advantage of this. It could be $1,000, could be $1,500. It might only be $100, but still, I could use that money right now, and I'm sure you can too. So go ahead. It's the sign up bonus for Uber. The instructions are down below. It's super easy, super simple. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys. Now let's get on to the video. All right, what's up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Wow, we're in week 2 of this whole shenanigans. It's getting weird out there, am I right? It's starting to get a little funky. At first, you know, it was this whole big new thing, then everyone was like, oh my God, I can't believe this is crazy, this is crazy. And now, I mean, we pretty much accepted the fact that none of us are going to go out to a restaurant for the next 3-4 months. So yeah, this is absolutely wild, and no one is meeting up with each other, hanging out with each other anymore, except for a few brave people. I'm still doing my juice cleanse. I knew I was gonna do a juice cleanse before this thing started. Well, I planned to do one, and then, well, I'm not doing a juice cleanse now. I'm trying to keep my immune system up, so I'm doing my juice cleanse, but I'm also eating meals. So I'm not doing a cleanse. I'm basically doing a bunch of half-day cleanses, so I'm just drinking juice the first half of the day, and then I drink, you know, like, then I have a dinner, maybe two small dinners. But anyways, yeah, it's getting weird out there. Today I'm updating you all with what's going on with the stimulus bill, what Trump is planning to pay Uber and Lyft drivers. Now it's $1,200, so I'm gonna get into that, and I'm gonna talk about how to get your money too, because a lot of people have been requesting about that. Sorry, I need to turn my air on so I can, you know, breathe in here. Hashtag respiratory, no pun intended. So, wow, this one's good. This is the almond one. I just had a citrus one, like, well, I'm supposed to wait like 2 hours in between each one, but I just had a green one, and now I'm doing almond. And then I'm about to eat food in like an hour or 2. Maybe an hour. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna sync up my phone here. By the way, guys, I hope you guys understand now with the whole referral code thing. I had a lot of people questioning me, asking me about that. I hope you guys understand. I'm not trying to sign up new drivers. The referral code is a retroactive thing. You know, the thing at the beginning of the video. It's to get drivers who already signed up without a code to then now apply a code. So if you don't understand that, and you're still commenting down below, oh my gosh, I can't believe you're trying to recruit new drivers. Well, you probably didn't listen correctly. I don't know, there's just so many people who just don't understand, but what can you do? All right, so let me sync up my phone here so you guys can follow along with me. All right, here we go. Here are my notes. I'm gonna click it in 3, 2, 1, click. Is it raining out? Oh my gosh, it's raining, guys. Wow, I just came back from a run. Good thing Here we go. This is from the Boston Herald. Breaking news. Oh, we surpassed China? Is that true? Okay, Americans to receive, I don't know if that's true or not. Americans to receive $1,200 in 3 weeks. Is that true? Can I just click that really quick? More than 82,000 cases. In China, has 81,000 and Italy has 80,000. Okay, I don't know. Anyways, here we go. This is what we came here. Many Americans would receive a check. So this is all, you know, that's Donald Trump. That's what he looks like. If you guys don't know what he is, that's Nukin on the right, I believe. And then I'm not sure who that is on the left. Mike Pence. That's the vice president. You should probably know who that is. Many Americans would receive a $1,200 check in about 3 weeks as part of the $2 trillion can't say that word, don't want to get demonetized, stimulus relief bill. White House officials said on Wednesday that the unprecedented package hit a snag on Congress. So this hasn't been passed yet, guys, just so you know. This is all theoretical, but it's most likely gonna pass. Like, basically, if they don't pass it, it's gonna be like, bro, what the heck, just pass it, okay? So, and it's, you know, time's a ticking. People don't have money. People, you know, it's almost gonna be the end of the month soon and rent's gonna be due. Here we go. Together, this $2.2 trillion legislative package is bigger than anything, I believe, ever passed in Congress. President Trump said at a White House press briefing while senators on Capitol Hill continue to debate provisions of the bill. As part of the proposed legislation, here we go, guys, this is the important part. Americans earning less than 75 grand a year would receive a check for $1,200.00, or couples earning less than $150 would receive a check for $2,400. Families would receive $500 per child. So you guys remember a few days ago, before it was $1,000. And guys, well, now they're putting, and I just heard that Canada's stimulus bill, guess how much money they're getting? $2,000 per person per month. It's not just $1,200 for 3 weeks or, you know, 6 weeks or whatever. It's $2,000 per person, and they have free healthcare already. So people aren't going to be. That's a huge problem too that I'm also worried about. I mean, obviously I care about my health, but I don't want to have to go to the hospital and then owe $30,000. Like, no, thank you. Here we go. We couldn't be more. What do you guys think about that too? Like, this is a huge thing we can't even prevent. And what happens if we have to go to the hospital and we owe like thousands and thousands of dollars? We're just gonna be in debt for the rest of our lives over this stupid thing. And are tons of Americans gonna be in debt for this? Okay, we couldn't be more pleased with the unprecedented response from the Senate to American workers and American business in the situation, Nukin said. This is going to be an enormous help for the American workers and the American economy. Nukin said the bill should keep the economy afloat for about 3 months. $1,200 for 3 months? That's only $400 a month. If we have to go back, we have to go back, Trump said of a potential future bailout. Other features of the package includes $350 billion. Wow, that's a lot of money. And job retention loans for small businesses and nonprofits. The loans will be forgiven as long as the employers keep their workers on payroll. Our nation needed us to go big and go fast, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said on Capitol Hill. The bill will help the people of this country weather the storm. $1,200? Am I the only one who's like, that sounds low? It should be more like $5,000 for 3 months at least. Or, I mean, Canada is doing $6,000 for 3 months per person. I think ours needs to be more like that. Help is on the way. Big help, quick help, Schumer said. The package would bolster unemployment benefits. Those who lost their job would receive an unemployment check plus $600 a week for up to 4 months. Oh, $600 a week is not bad at all. Okay, maybe this is sounding good. Let's continue reading, guys, and then we'll end the video. This employment provision caused 4 conservative Republican senators to demand changes on Wednesday. The legislation's incentive layoffs and should be altered to ensure employees don't earn more money if they're laid off than if they're working, they said. You're going to have to, all of these well-trained nurses that are going to make $24 an hour on unemployment, said Senator Lindsey Graham. Oh, you're literally incentivizing taking people out of the workforce. That's such a good point. I didn't think about that at all. I mean, Why drive for Uber when you can make 24 bucks an hour sitting on your couch? Why work at, I don't know, what's another is like really important job right now? Like working at a laundromat, that's essential. Working at a gas station, that's essential. Working at a grocery store, can you imagine if all of a sudden all the grocery store workers quit because they're like, screw this, I don't want to be exposed to all these people all day, I'd rather get unemployment. We'll see. In response, Senator Bernie Sanders, who's running for the Democratic presidential nomination, said he would block the bill unless the conservatives dropped the objections. Here we go. This is Sanders. He goes, in my view, it would be an outrage to prevent working class Americans to receive emergency unemployment assistance included. Pelosi said, takes us a long way down in the road in meeting the needs of the American people. Pelosi says the urgency is very clear. So, yeah, guys, that's it. I mean, I want to hear what you guys think. Is that enough money? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.